Hi there, I was sent this beanie hat with a LED light and LED beanie in dark gray for review. I've tried these products very similar to this, if not the exact same. It charges with a USB port. The hat, actually, this one's different because it actually has a nice soft liner. The other one was just knitted all the way through, so this actually is a much higher quality right off the bat. The LED light, there it is on high. Or no, that was low. This is high. Excuse the dog and her bronchitis. And then they have a kind of a alert one. And then off. But yeah, I really like that they've put a nice soft liner in this. That's going to make it super, super comfortable. So, I would say this would be a wonderful present as a Christmas present or birthday present. Especially we're coming up on the winter months. So, yeah, you could even use this as a stocking stuffer. Just put this in the bottom of the hat. Roll the hat up. Boom, shove it in the stocking. So, I will put a link below to this product on Amazon. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.